of vacuum and basically an entire setup for a pet grooming system. This is the box. I've got it in right here, and just kind of like going over it. You know, it's small and portable. It's got powerful suction, detachable, flexible hose. You know what? Let's just open this thing up and see what we get in the package here. So open it up. First thing you see is a user manual right there, and I will kind of read that. There you go. I just read it. Some packing. The hose. Now, I've used several of these grooming kits before, so you can say that I'm a self-proclaimed expert on pet grooming. I love the portability of this thing. Look at that. That kind of looks like a little toaster oven, basically, but it's not, so don't try to put bread in it. And see, watch this. Y'all see those right there? That's what that does. It goes down. You just basically brush them, and it pulls out the hair, and then when you do that, it sucks it up in there. I will show all these in action because I have my little Remo over here, and he's about to get a haircut. He hasn't had one in a while. This thing right here is the same way. If you watch, see how those teeth kind of go in and out, and the vacuum piece goes in there. And then this is the trimmers. And usually these things use power through the unit. You see the power comes in through there, so that's how that goes. And I'll put it all together. So let me go ahead, clean all this up, get it set up. We'll go over it and I'll show it in action, and then we'll shave Remo. So let's get to it now. I'll show you how this little thing operates. This is one of the cooler ones I've seen. There's a lock button right here. You just take that off, and that's how that comes out. And then if I want to dump the hair, I just dump it right there. So very handy, easily to use, and you can see how it works here. This is super quiet. I don't know how well you can hear it in the camera there, but that is very quiet. And there's 3, 2, oh, that's the highest. And it's all adjusted right here. And they make it really quiet like that. That way it doesn't really scare the animals much. And to plug this thing in, you're gonna use that piece right there. Plugs in just like this. But then as soon as I plug this in here, watch this. Oh, I'll turn that on. Y'all hear that? Well, that's what I need. So there's suction right here. Let's use like a medium. Let's bring Remo over and let's get to trimming. All right, everybody, I got my little dog Remo over here so we see how he is. So let's go ahead. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go down like this. I don't know how well you're seeing in the camera there, but check this out. Now he's actually got brown and black mix in him. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and take his collar off. Yeah, this thing's working great. You can actually see how he's got brown right there, and I rarely see that brown come out in him. He doesn't even seem to mind it because it's so quiet. It doesn't like make him nervous. So you see how the clippers work. Let me go ahead and show you how this is the shedding type tool. And you see how those blades go like that. See how I can kind of like, this is for like a de-shedding. Watch this. Is that not awesome? That's really cool. Remo, you turn him brown again. You want to be kind of careful with this tool because it is metal. Is that not awesome? And this would be just kind of what you use if you're not doing a full thing on them. So you use that right there. You'd probably even use this on a cat too. That is awesome when it does that. See, Remo wants to keep getting his hair cut. We'll put him over there. But I'm just going to show y'all real quick on how easily to empty this. You're going to hit the button right there on top. And then check this out. That was just that little bit of time right there and all that hair. And then if I need to, I'll clean off that right there. That's the filter that goes on this thing. And then there's different types of attachments that I can put on this, some oil. Yeah, so about maybe once a month, I'll go and I'll do another kind of round on him. I'll use the clippers right now, but then I'll use this right here when I start seeing the hair starting to grow out. This is something I recommend for anyone that just wants to do their own kind of pet grooming and not have to go to a groomer, because I think you, in the long run, you could save a lot by just going with one of these little things. And look how compact that is. Is that not awesome how small that is? There you go, everybody. That's all I got on the, the PG-10 pet groomer. See y'all in the next video.